Good morning from Spain. Good morning, Pippa. They've just had their midday snack, or their snack, like they do here in Spain. They're all having a snack. Are you eating yours, Astrid? You've eaten some of it, haven't you? They have been cleaned out, but as you can see, there's poops again. It's normal for piggies. There's Pepper just there, little 5-month-old baby. She's a coronet. That's Lucy. She's a teddy. Laia, she'll be 6 in January. She's a teddy. Susie, she's an Abyssinian. Nika's a Peruvian. And with the bum sticking out there, that's Maria. She's a Merino. Where's everybody else? There's Minnie. She's a Peruvian. Minnie Moo. And Susie, she's an Abyssinian. But she's a little bit aggressive with the others. She was adopted by me from a family. She's always lived on her own. So she's a little bit aggressive with the others. Oh, here comes Maria. There's Maria, the little Merino. Maria! The name Maria was given by my partner. There she is. Look at her hair. Where's Bimba? Bimba, I think, is under there eating. Yeah, I can see her nose. There she is eating. Hello, Peppa. Peppa Pig. Peppa. Her hair's getting long now. I got the castle back in today. You going up, Nika? Little piggy lips. Little piggy lips. Oh, there's Maria now. You can see her. She had a bum wash yesterday. See her hair? Oh, there's Bimba. She's come out. Bimba's an American short hair. I have another one here, Lola, but she's not well. She can't use her back legs, so she's on her own, so I can see that she's eating. She's in there. Bless her. We've got a makeshift stand at the moment, so I can wheel her about. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the like button as well. It would be very helpful for me. Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. Susie's thinking of going up there. No? You going up, Susie? Yes, she's going up. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.